So first, let's talk about the fabulous curtains. So when it comes to curtains, it's really important that you find the right color, the pattern, and the overall quality is important because that is what is going to make or break the room. And the texture on these 2Pages fabric is phenomenal. As always, I highly recommend ordering the fabric sample booklet so that you can see how they're going to work in the light in your space, natural, artificial, all the rest of it. You can see how it works. They ship it right to your house. It's super easy. So that way you're always making the right decision. But honestly, my favorite trick for sort of a really sort of just easy, high ROI trick to upgrade your space is going to be the pillow covers. Recently got these beautiful pillows from 2Pages and I wanted to tell you about them. So we got a few different styles to test out. The Karen K41-13 was definitely a bit more Eden style. So I actually gifted those one to her and it looks great in her space. But the Patty B315 and the BBP6, these are staying right here with me. The quality and the texture of these are just so good. And they just perfectly fit my vibe. I want to thank today's sponsor, which is 2Pages. 2Pages has been a long-time sponsor on the channel. You guys know them for creating beautiful, amazing, fabulous window treatments, which is their signature thing. So if you want to easily elevate your space, go check out the link in the description. 2Pages links are all down there.